everyone!
Everyone recommends the Sony a6400 for beginners wanting to go mirrorless. I wanted to see if it's still the smartest pick. This is the Sony Alpha a6400, a 24.2 megapixel APS-C mirrorless camera that's been one of the most recommended hybrid shooters for content creators for years. The body is magnesium alloy, so it feels noticeably more solid than plastic-bodied entry cameras. And at just over 400 grams, it's genuinely small enough to carry around all day. One thing to flag though, there's no weather sealing, so this isn't a camera you want caught in the rain. This is where the a6400 still wins today. 425 autofocus points, eye tracking that locks on in a fraction of a second, and it barely loses the subject even in a fast walk and track shot. For a camera this old, the autofocus has genuinely aged well. 11 frames per second burst shooting is still fast by today's standards, and image quality holds up cleanly through about ISO 6400 before noise starts becoming noticeable. Better low-light performance than you'd expect from an APS-C sensor this age. Unlike a lot of cameras in this price range, this one actually shoots proper 4K with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. And the flip screen makes it a genuinely solid vlogging camera, not just a stills camera that happens to record video. There's a proper microphone jack, which most beginner cameras skip, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast transfers. Small details, but they matter if you're planning to actually use this for content, not just casual shooting. This camera makes the most sense for someone who wants both good photos and genuinely usable video from the same body. Vloggers, travel shooters, anyone building content, not just a hobbyist who only shoots stills. Is the a6400 the newest option out there? No, but between the autofocus, the 4K video, and the price it usually sells at now, it's still one of the smartest hybrid cameras you can buy. Link to the exact one I used is below.